Welcome back to our next video, and today we are in Somerset again. We were in Somerset last week. We've just finished this outdoor kitchen. It's an absolutely beautiful day. It's about 26 degrees and we've just finished this kitchen, so I'm going to be showing you everything about this kitchen and the whole process from start to finish. So what happens with a lot of these kitchens is I hadn't actually been down to this property or met the customer before we started doing this kitchen. We'd had a lot of conversations over video call and phone call, emails going back and forth with pictures and dimensions and things like that. So I knew that we had a patio here. Hello. So originally this patio had some planters along here, I think, and what the customer wanted to do was get rid of the planters, put down some new patio slabs to match the existing ones, and then put this kitchen in here. And so what we did is I found out the name of these slabs. Alex came down. The customer actually removed the planter and everything like that. Alex came down, and the first thing we did was to put the slabs down so that it matches really well. You can see they're a slightly lighter color, but I think over time the sun will fade that and they'll match in really, really well with the rest of the patio. You comfortable there? So this kitchen is an L shape. It's made out of brickwork. So I don't know if you can see, but over there, they've got some bricks going down the steps over there. So these bricks match those ones over there really nicely. They've also got some sort of anthracite decking on top there as well. And this patio, this conservatory behind you is brand new. That is like an anthracite color as well. So what they were quite keen to do was to try and match the worktops with, you know, the anthracite on the patio and that section over there. The house is beautiful. It's got all this sort of oak cladding around there. Everything is enclosed. And this is like a real extension of the home. I really, really like it. So like I said before, this is a brick built kitchen, an L shape. We've got the Beefeater stainless steel double fridge. It's got glass fronted doors, lots and lots of space to keep all your food and your drinks in there. Over here, this is the Monolith Classic Pro Series 2.0 Kamado oven. This is a fantastic piece of kit. It's a really, really versatile barbecue, so many different ways of cooking on it. I've got one of these. I cook on it all the time. In fact, I was using mine at the weekend. I did like a Texas style barbecue with like briskets and pit beans and street corn. I did some mac and cheese as well. I'll ask Jess to put like a picture of it up there so you can see what I mean. This is capable of feeding lots and lots of people. You know, I've done like a 7.5 kilo brisket in there and a 5 kilo pulled pork all at the same time. Chicken wings, everything like that. This really, really fantastic piece of kit. Coming over to here, you've got the pull-out bin. So you can see in here, this is like a stainless steel pull-out drawer, but the customers put their own bin in there. You can get whatever bin you want from Amazon, put that in there. It's so handy having a bin outside. When you're barbecuing, there's always bits of plastic and this, that, and the other to throw away. And then underneath here, you've simply got a stainless steel single door, and that just provides access underneath there just to keep all of your, you know, your bits and pieces, all of your accessories, charcoal for the Monolith and things like that. Electrical wise, we've got these, or the customer had asked us to put in these little downlighters on here. It's got the same ones on the brickwork over there. So again, that matches, you know, that style over there. On the end here, we've got a double socket. Now this is handy if you want to put maybe like a speaker or you're charging your phone, like food blenders, anything like that. It's very, very handy to have a socket outside. The Monolith can get a rotisserie as well if you want to. Now it comes as a battery operated one, which works really, really well, but you can also get the 240 version. So if you do get that, bear in mind you will need power to power that as well. For the worktops on this one, this is Decton Fossil. So this is 20 mil thick. I don't know if you want to come and have a look at this. It's like a dark grey anthracite colour, but it's got these lovely veins that run through it and everything like that. Originally, while you're there, you can see we put an overhang here of about 300 mil on the edge. Originally it was just going to have like a 20 mil overhang like that, but the customer decided they wanted to sort of make a bar feature of this. So actually now we've gone all the way around the kitchen with this 300 mil overhang. So they've now got space and seating for, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 people all the way around the outside. So that makes this a really, really social space. It's beautiful. So it's worth mentioning also that, so you can see with this Kamado, we've literally cut out a section like that for the Kamado to slide into, which is definitely easier for getting it in and out if you want to. Another way of doing it is to cut simply, you know, bring this worktop all the way around and then cut a hole into the worktop and then drop the Kamado in. I really like both ways. If you do cut a hole and drop it in, you do tend to get a little bit more sort of worktop space around there to use. But again, it uses up a lot more worktop as well. If you do it like this normally, you know, you would have a join here and a little section there, 100 mil and 100 mil, and it'd go off there. It only looks like a lot here because we've got the overhangs on here for the bar. But either way works really, really well. So I really love this home, just the setting. It's in a really lovely little village, very quaint English village. The home itself is beautiful, and the garden, it's just lots of little leafy passageways and tunnels and things like that. It's really, really nice. There's flowers everywhere, there's plants everywhere, and the setting is just incredible. I hope you've enjoyed learning and seeing this kitchen. If you want to see another one like this, I'll leave a link up here. Click on that and go and see another one of our kitchens we do. We try and make these videos at least once a week, so if you want to see them more regularly, make sure you subscribe to the channel and give us a like if you've enjoyed it. If you want to see what we're up to regularly, make sure you head over to Facebook or Instagram. We try and post on there 2-3 times a week, showing you currently what we're up to. So thanks very much for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.